Hello. In this video, I'm going to solve the length of last word LeetCode problem and show you the process step by step. Open the LeetCode page and navigate it to Problems. From here, apply the difficulty filter to see problems only in the easy category. Scroll down to the one I've not solved yet and opened it. Changed the language to Python 3. Read the problem a little bit. After reading the description, open Visual Studio Code app. I cloned my LeetCode Solutions repo. Opened the repo and looked around. Went back to VS Code, opened the folder and created a new file with the problem name as the file name. Printed Hello World to see if it's working. Copied and pasted the problem description. I thought the repo needed a little bit of cleaning and refactoring, so I did this. Moved all C++ related files to their own folder. Renamed Python files to suit the naming standards. Committed everything with a meaningful message. Pushed my changes and saw everything went to the remote repository. The name of this file wasn't changed even though I changed it locally and pushed my changes. Didn't understand why right now, so I changed it on GitHub manually. Cleanup is done. After copying and pasting the solution class, I was ready for solving the actual problem. After checking the question one more time, the first thing I did was trimming white spaces around the giving string with strip method. I printed an example string and it was working so far. After that, I used the split function to split the sentence into its words by space delimiter. This function returns the words as an array. I got the last element of the array, then its length. I tried it with the first example string and it worked right. Used a for loop and string array to see all the test strings were working. Made the method a one-liner because it was appropriate in this case, and I think it became more clean this way. My solution worked for every test case. Copied and pasted the solution to see in the LeetCode site if it was working. It all worked all right. Read the description one more time to see if I missed anything. I tried for a one-word string and it worked as well. So now is time to submit the solution. and it was accepted just fine. Committed and pushed everything.